Hey, my friends from around the world. This is Mrs. DLC, and I have an unboxing from our friends at Louis Vuitton. Stay tuned. Welcome back, subscribers, and hello, and welcome to those who are new to my channel. Today is an unboxing from Louis Vuitton, and I have purchased two items, and these are going to go along with some of my other bags that I have from Louis Vuitton, and these are SLGs. I will tell you that. And I couldn't wait for them to come in to see what we have. So let's start with the smaller box here. I don't even need my scissors because it has a perforated strip here. Let's see, pull that open. So I have my eye on a Louis Vuitton bandolier speedy. I'm not sure if I want to go with the 35 or stick with the 30. I have a 30 now. But I do want to get the monogram because I wanted to personalize it and add some color to it. So it's still in my cart. It's still ready for me to hit send. And I don't know why I'm having such a hard time. Okay, I got it. So I am just getting some SLGs for the bags that I already have and the bags that I'm planning to get. Now, one thing that I know, at least for me, for Louis Vuitton, is that the accessories or the SLGs, if I'm doing a quick bag swap, especially with a monogram, they generally can go with any bag that I have. So I don't have to always swap out to match the bag that I'm carrying. All right, so there is the Louis Vuitton signature box. And here we have our receipts and return labels. Then here is the box. It's nestled, and the way they do their shipping is it has this interior protection in here, and then the box fits right in there. Right there, that one. All right. And this one still has the tab. I know I've seen some other boxes that has the little push button now for the boxes. So I'm sure they probably want to get rid of these first before they move on to the other ones. This one also has the little thank you card. And normally this is blank. Just in case you have purchased this for someone, you can add your little note to the person that you purchased the item for. Let's stick that back in here and take the ribbon off. And inside we have the dust bag. And let's see what we have. I ordered this. I think it came out, I want to say, I know it hasn't been out a year yet. If it is, time has flown really quickly. But I do have the original, I guess you call them mini now, Key Cles. And Louis Vuitton came out with other sizes, and I wanted to get the next size up. And this is considered the small size. And here is the little key clave there that you can add your keys on. As far as size, it's a nice size. There are, let's see, there is a little slip pocket in here. And there's the Louis Vuitton, let's see, tag. And I want to compare this one to the mini I have. Story about the mini. I'm calling it the mini. I don't know. That's my terminology. But that's the original one that they have. And now they have these other sizes. I purchased one on a pre-loved market some years ago. And for some reason, I went to clean some items, and I could not find that. I could not find it. I could not find that key pouch. So I did purchase another one, and that one, of course, it worked out really well for me. But for the life of me, I tore my closet upside down trying to find that pouch, and I could not find it. And last week, I haven't in a while carried my Speedy 30, and I'm gonna take because I need to show you. I haven't carried this in a while, so when I opened it, you'll see, right? When I opened the bag and took out the stuffing, it was stuffed in the bag. So that just tells me how long it's been since I carried this Speedy. But I do love it, yeah. But we know the story about the, I always get this twisted, okay, about the vachetta leather. I love this bag. I love the slouch in it. And I normally have a organizer, but I didn't use an organizer, and I'm kind of liking the little slouch in here. I'm going to do a what's in my bag for this one. So for size purposes, here is the mini, and here is the small. So you can see the difference in the size here. So you could put a lot more in this one than you can in here. I may have, let me see, try to carry one with me. Oh, I do. Okay. So I may have, let's see, measurements. We have the small one is measuring about 4.5 inches across in length. The mini, and the small one is measuring, let's see, about 6 inches across. So there we go. And of course the height is different as well. It's more room, taller and longer. So I do like that. I like that. I think I can definitely have some things in there. I'm gonna keep this out for a minute. Stick her back over here while I finish this. And so she is a keeper. Let's give her, here's the hardware. Zipper is in good shape here. Just take a good look all the way across. All right, that looks good. I'm going to hold her aside, and we are going to put all this paperwork aside. And let's see, with this one, I'm going to open this. So now I have two of the mini Key Cles, because I have the second one that I brought, and I brought both of those off of the resale market. Alright, and both of these items came from the boutique, Louis Vuitton boutique. This is in a larger box here. Same design. Same packaging. Let's see. Make sure we have receipts. And receipts, return label, and this is just a product card here on quality. Put those in here. Gotta keep up with that. And then we have, okay, so this one, see, this is what I was saying. This is the newer boxes with the little button here. And let's see, take that out. So instead of the magnetic, you just push in here. I don't know, I kind of like the magnetic. This is cute though, because it has the little floral here on the button. And then, let's see what we have in here. This is the, I think this is considered the medium in the dust bag. All right, so here, look, that is a nice size. I think this is about the same length as the pochette that is in the Neverfull, and I do have one in my bag, so I'm gonna measure that out. But I know I can carry more in this one because there is a little more depth to this. Let's see, let's open it. It has a, oops, sorry, it has a slit pocket here, and that's the Louis Vuitton card. It also has the key clave. Not sure if I would be putting a key on this one, but if I was carrying it separately, I would. And let me show you in comparison. That's the medium. Let me check the paperwork here. I think it's the medium. I'm saying medium, but I don't know. Is it medium or is it large? Let's see. Let's see what it says. What it says. What it says. It says glaze, key clave, medium, pochette medium. Yep, it's the medium. So here is the medium. This is the small, and then here we go with the mini. So that's the three here, the 3 pouches. And I want to compare this medium to the pochette from the Neverfull. So I'm gonna grab my bag again because I am actually using it today. So this one, let's see, so that's what that looks like. In size comparison, it looks like it's the same, well, just a little bit larger, the medium pouch, tiny bit, not even a, no, it may be the same size. I think it is the same size, truly. If anything, I'm just trying to, oh no, there's a little bit, maybe not even a full half an inch, but maybe a quarter of an inch taller, the medium pouch. And you can see from the depth that you would have more room in this one. There is not a lot of give to the pouch that comes in the Neverfull, but you will have that in here because of the way this is. See, this is glazed across, but this is sewn, and it gives you more room, more flexibility to add more items in here. So this would be a nicer option because I think I could have more here. Now this one right now I have, again, I said I'll do a Neverfull. I don't even really have that much in here. I just have a charger, a rain jacket, and I think like a, let's see here, an ink pen. And that's just for demonstration purposes. I'm gonna put those same items in here. See how much more. Oh, okay, that's a huge, nothing. I had this and then this. Huge difference because it really, I couldn't put anything else in here with that. So yes, this one you definitely can carry more. I'll show you what that looks like with those items in here. Yep, nice. I really like it. I believe I was making a decision as to whether, because I was on the fence and I said, do I really need to get that if I have this one? And I find myself limited with this pouch because it's stiffer, so I can't really add a lot in here. I do like this little D-ring, and I can put a little chain on it. But this one does have the key hook in it, so alright, so I think she's probably a keeper. I think she's probably a keeper. So what do you think? This is the medium. This is the small again, and here we are with the little baby. I hope you like them as well. If you were trying to decide what size, let me know. If you want to know anything else, if you want any other measurements, just drop it in the description and I'll put those measurements in it. All of them do have the little key hook on it. So thank you all. Thank you for hanging around, and we will see you next time. This is Mrs. DLC signing off.